They get to see new interests and get involved and see what they are into and what they maybe want to do when they grow up. They get to see different types of technology, experiments and different STEM experience, and it really just helps them get interested in different things.
It gives them something else to do besides just sitting in their house playing video games, or actually teaches them a skill. So I think it's super helpful for their future. There's a lot of people that don't even know that aviation maintenance is a applicable job. So I think it opens a lot of doors for kids that don't know.
They get to see all the programs that Northeast has to offer. Like today, they got to see all this aviation stuff. I got to see it for the first time today. It was really cool. Throughout the rest of the week, they got to see a lot of hands-on activities, automotive, drafting, computer science, a lot of different stuff inside the technology building. I think it's really helpful for them. They can see everything that goes on at Northeast.
I think we introduce them to a lot of different fields as far as careers. We show them the campus, that you can actually go here for free and come out sometimes if you were to join the aviation program making 6 figures. We're the only campus that does that here in East Tennessee.
We built a hydraulic claw out of this kit box thing. We made a piano out of bananas using the Makey. We touched a sheep's brain and a cow's eyeball.
I want to be a pilot when I grow up, and with the aviation you get to see what they do in their everyday life.
Launching the rockets, because that was pretty amazing. I've never done something like that before. It was like my first time. And after launching it, it felt so cool just to see it go up in the air and coming right back down.
I really like flying, and I want to be a pilot when I get older, so probably aviation. That is my favorite program. I have lots of other favorites, but aviation ought to be my favorite.
The coolest thing I learned is probably how the computers work and the PC, the demolition. That was fun. The esports, you got to go down there, look at their video game room. You got to see how the computers work, and then you got to play Rocket League at the end.
I've just made a lot of friends here, and I'm planning to come back next year.
We learned a lot of different stuff that we didn't know before.
When we play games together and we work together as the team, we can do better than we would usually do as one person.
I had a really fun time. I've been waiting for a year to do this.
This was probably one of my favorite camps that I've ever went to.